Hey guys, I'm Natalie. Some of you guys know me as Kat from my Instagram, Kat Kofir. As you know, I'm a hairdresser. I've been in the industry for 7 years now, and in those 7 years, I've gotten my hands in a lot of different products from a lot of different lines. So what better person to get a review on hair product from than a hairstylist herself? And I know there's a lot of people out there giving reviews on products, but majority of these people that are giving reviews on hair products specifically have literally zero to no knowledge on hair at all. The product that I'm going to be giving you guys a review on is Schwarzkopf Professional's BONACURE Peptide Repair Rescue. Over the past week, I've used this twice. And as you can see, my hair looks really good. On the back of this bottle, it states that it instantly seals split ends and prevents them from occurring. The formula with cell protector technology brings back natural hair movement, strength, and elasticity. Hair is visibly transformed and repaired without overburdening. So pretty much what this treatment is a leave-in that stores and protects the ends for shiny and healthy hair.
The Peptide Repair Rescue is now also being sold in an XXL size.
It is suitable for all hair types, but it's specifically for dry to damaged hair that is prone to having split ends. I also really like the scent, only because it's not too strong or too fruity. I really like the consistency right off the bat. I really like how creamy it is and how spreadable the product is, which means that it's easy to distribute throughout your hair. Some lines make their product, when it comes to creams, too thick that you can't almost like spread it throughout your hair. You kind of feel like it's like built up in certain areas and it's not like evenly distributed. So I know my hair's already styled, but I just kind of want to show you guys how to use it on yourself. Like I said, you can use it wet, you can use it on your damp hair, and you can use it while your hair is dry. So I would just use a little bit, mix it in, and then I don't necessarily want it on my root, so I'm gonna go from my ends, mids to ends, mids to ends, mids to ends, mids to ends. And then I would brush it out. My hair styled, so I'm not gonna brush it out till later before I go to bed. I've been using this product over the past week and I've used it twice. One thing I can say is my hair is very dry naturally. I've been graying prematurely since I was 12. So straight from the root, my hair just grows out like a haystack. Dry, just kind of not as shiny as others are. So with this product, I have noticed a lot more shine to my hair, and I've also noticed that it feels less dry. My hair compared to my extension hair is completely different, and now I feel like when I touch both, I can't really tell the difference. And another thing that's really big for me is I love to pick my split ends. I know it's a bad habit. I've been doing it since I was in high school, and I've been getting better, but the less visible my split ends are, the better for me, and I've really noticed a difference. Okay, like I said, I have gray hair, and with gray hair, it can tend to be really unruly, very frizzy, super hard to manage. So the first time I used this product, I put it on wet hair, and I did see a difference in the way it dried. Definitely less frizzy and a lot more shiny. And then this past time that I used it, I did do it on dry hair, and I noticed that it made my hair smoother and a lot easier to manage. One thing I do wish about this product is it doesn't state on the bottle itself that you can apply it on wet, damp, or dry hair. I don't know, I feel like my hair is just as shiny as my cat's coat. I mean, look at how cute he is. With that being said, if you're the girl with dry hair, damaged hair, and hair that is prone to split ends, don't walk, run. Run as fast as you can and get this product. And girls with shiny, silky, healthy hair, this product, you don't necessarily need it. And if you do end up running to the store and getting that product, I would love to hear your feedback. You can DM me at CatCoFear and let me know what you really think of the product.